How to turn off SOS Only on iPhone iOS 16. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. This common issue can be fixed by reconnecting to your cellular data carrier. To do that, launch the Settings application on your device. Toggle on the button for airplane mode. Wait for a minimum of 10 to 15 seconds before toggling it off again. Next, make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services. To make sure, tap on General and then on VPN and Device Management. If you have connected to any type of VPN services, then go ahead and disconnect it. In general, again, tap on About and see if your carrier services requires any new update. Also, check for iOS updates in your software update. Tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. And lastly, to fix this issue, you can restart your device. To restart, scroll down in General. You will see the option for shutdown. Tap on that and then slide to Power Off. Wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before restarting your device. And by now, SOS should have been turned off. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.